for people with diabetes type 2 who are also on insulin, they may need to see an endocrinologist who specializes in diabetes treated with insulin. Your diabetes healthcare team should include a few members. The first member is yourself. You have to be engaged and committed to take care of yourself. Your next of kin or your family members or the people who live with you are also part of your team, as they have to support you. Finally, when it comes to healthcare professionals, it is very important not only to have a physician, but to also consult a diabetes educator, and if possible, a dietitian every now and then, to just make sure that you're on track. In some situations, for people with diabetes type 2 who are also on insulin, they may need to see an endocrinologist who specializes in diabetes treated with insulin. In addition to your doctor and your diabetes educator, you may also consider to include a counselor, or what is now referred to as a coach, to your team. A coach is someone who can help you solve problems, and it is often a resource that is very valuable for chronic conditions, in particular diabetes. Your coach can be your personal trainer, or it can be a psychologist who has experience with chronic diseases. But overall, include a lifestyle coach in your program when possible.